guys, this is Indrani and welcome back to another episode of Aminko's Cook Room. You just can't deny with the fact that if you're in India and suddenly one fine day your mother surprises with a bowl of palang paneer and paratha, you know that winter is around. Just like ours, palak or spinach plays a very important role in Afghan cuisine as well. Many of their recipes indulges the use of spinach. And that is because even last year winter I shared a recipe which is not only a famous dish of Afghanistan but a super tasty and simple called Zamarut Pulao. And over there also spinach was the key ingredient. So coming back to today's video, I am back again with another very easy and simple Afghan dish where spinach is there along with some more ingredients which are easily available in every Indian local markets. It is called Afghani Sabzi. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the kitchen. Before you start cooking, you need to get over with this chopping part, which includes 2 bundles of palang or spinach mediumly chopped, 1.5 cup of roughly chopped coriander leaves, and 1 cup of spring onions, again roughly chopped. Moving on to the cooking segment, I'll heat some oil. The traditional recipe has olive oil in it, so if you can arrange for some, go for it. Once the oil gets heated, adding half a cup of finely chopped onions and fry until it caramelizes and turns translucent. After 8 to 10 minutes of frying, I've got the perfect texture. So now I'll further add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and saute it for a while. After a minute, adding 1 cup of spring onions and mix and fry this for another 2 minutes. After a while, now it's time to add in the spinach leaves. My further addition will also include 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, and the remaining half cup I'll keep it aside for later use. In order to soften the leaves and make the cooking process faster, therefore adding some salt to taste. Mix it lightly because at this stage you can't churn the entire thing together. Now keeping the gas on low flame, cover and cook this for 5 minutes. As you can see that the quantity has almost reduced to half and the leaves have also started releasing their water. So now it's time to add the only spice in this recipe, that is some generous amount of black pepper powder. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of it. Keeping the gas on medium flame, cover and cook this until the water dries up and it becomes soggy. So the leaves are now soft and perfectly cooked, but as you can see that some more water needs to dry up. Therefore, I'll keep this uncovered and continue with the cooking process. It is at this stage where you need to add the remaining half cup of coriander leaves, but I completely forgot to put on the camera, thus missed shooting this clip, but please note it down. I have also checked with the seasoning and it's perfect, so now I'll put off the gas and my Afghanistan style spinach or Afghani Sabzi is ready to be served. And just like the people of that country, enjoy this dish with regular steamed rice.